Hey guys, welcome back to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to unlink Epic Games account from Rockstar Social Club. Alright, so the first step is to go to rockstargames.com website. Alright, so here what you have to do is click on the sign in. After clicking on your profile icon, and then you have to sign in using your email and then password as well. So once you enter your email and password, just click on sign in, and then it will take some time to redirect us. And here you can see we are now signed in to Rockstar Games. Now what you have to do is click on account and then click on settings. So here it will take some time again, and then it will redirect you to the social club. And here what you have to do is you have to click on link accounts, and here as you can see we have various options. Over here, if you have linked with any of these accounts, you will be able to unlink by going to this option and then clicking on unlink if you have already linked the account. And here you can see we don't have the option for Epic Games. So the question arises that how can we actually unlink Epic Games account from Rockstar Social Club? So here let's do a quick Google search on how actually you can unlink Epic Games account from Rockstar Social Club. So if you search for that, here once you search for it, you will see an article by Rockstar support themselves. So once you click on this website, here it mentions that to unlink your Epic Games account from Rockstar Social Club, what you have to do is go to the support and then ask help from the support. And once you do that, you'll be able to unlink Epic Games account from Rockstar Social Club. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.